Ngifuna ukubekela-ke into ngezwina-ke ngale ndaba le ebiseqhulwini yohlabisa bethi i-tax izosiza abantu abamnyama, ukutax abantu abamnyama more kuzosiza bona ukuthi iqhamukaphi le nto. Ngifuna nje ukuthi ukubekele nje nangosobala, ngingakufihleli ngoba bayanikhodela ngigcine ningawazanga amaqiniso. Uma uhlabisa ethi ukunyuka kwe-VAT lese beye ukuyinyusa manje ngoba u-MK ne-EFF bakholozile. Uma ethi kusiza abantu abamnyama ubesho ukuthi one, masithatha le option ukuthi kushawe kubantu abamnyama kuzoba ngcono ngoba akuzoba xoxo somabhizinisi okuyibona abangathekiswanga. Wagcina sekuholela ekutheni usazi uqoqe imali ezincane zentela ube suba ne-tax deficit edathi manje uhulumeni engabi nayo imali yokuletha iy'nsiza zabantu nokwenza amanye ama-services. Le story asiqale lapho sekunqunywa khona ukuthi akuthekiswa abantu abamnyama. Le story siqale ekutheni usazi uhlulekile ukutaxa osomabhizinisi abangongqibankulu abamhlophe, i-white monopoly capital, and singasho bahlulekile, abakwenzanga ngamabomu ngoba inhloso yabo ukugcina osomabhizinisi be-happy, be-excited ukuthi benze izumbulu zemali, and South Africa is tax friendly. I-friendly South Africa uma uzibhizinisi khona awuzokuthexwa kakhulu. So lisukaphi? Lisuka khona emzameni wokujabulisa osomabhizinisi abamhlophe ukuthi tapanje la e-Africa, nina tapane South Africa, enzala amabhizinisi enu neziprofit nibe happy as much as you want, nihambe nale tax inkosi sizocela okuncane sinikeza khona. Engishoyo-ke bekungelona iphutha noma ukushoda kwekhono uthi usazi ungayiqoqi i-tax ngokwanele kongqibankulu abangosomabhizinisi, the rich class. It was a deliberate act. If ubra wami uwenza ibhizinisi kwi-country iy'lima zayo ezinginika amandla, nginendlela yokuthi ngenze sure ukuthi ibhizinisi lakho alitaxwa kakhulu, phela i-tax iyahlephulana. Thina nje suke sihambe mhlawumbe thuthi siyarizana emsebenzini sihlephula abo 40% tax, which means manje uzothola 100,000 ugcina uthole 60,000, 40,000 rand wonke uhamba ne-tax. I-tax iyashaya. Okay, thina siyashaya wavela sinomuntu osikhulumelayo-ke thina, kodwa osomabhizinisi bahlala nabo Ramaphosa nohlabisa lapha ku-decide ngama-funding. So but I know we'll ease up on tax, we won't come hard on you. And umbuzo for uyibuze wona, for le period bengathexwanga le mali okafaka i-tax yenzani la ikhona? Let me tell you, iyenza more business and more profit. So by the time the tax ilandwa kubona iyobe mhlawumbe sizale kathathu lo mali bengathexwa. That's just buying time. So mabeyeka ukutaxa in a right tax period, bekutaxe maybe 6 months later down the line, how many transactions esesenzakalile ngale mali abangayithexanga fangabe state siyithathile sayiqala sayitshalela kubantu? Is that a dirty game of capitalism driven by white monopoly capital and black stooges who support the white system? Isho njalo-ke mina ngithi isinqumo sokuthi akushawela thina njengoba bethi ohlabisa sizosiza abantu abamnyama, into esingayazi ukuthi usho ukuthini uhlabisa ngalokho. Uhlabisa usho ukuthi yingoba alternative enye indlela ongenziwa ngayo uma kuyekwa thina ukuthi kulandwe i-tax kubelungu le abangayilandanga ngesikhathi. Hambani niyofunda nizwe ukuthi why what was the problem after to use tax. It's because usazi there was a war between the Minister of Finance uGodongwane nalo munye ubani ngamkhohlwa lo baba lo, base babanjwe bekhuluma lapha nalo minister lo in the president bani Shiveni bani. Impi bisekutheni bahlulekile kwasazi ukulanda i-tax eyanele okufanele beyilande kubantu abathize. Into angazi niyibuze ngobala abantu abathize egcina i-tax ngalandwanga kubona. Ngiyakutshela mina manje it white monopoly capital ebanika ama-shares oRamaphosa. Ithe khabhali le vela bakuyona business khabhali, and ngithi kuwena it was deliberate usazi le mali ungayiqoqi kulabo bantu. The same way usazi wakwazi ukuklerisha uRamaphosa kwephalaphala scandal. SARS is playing active political role in favor of white monopoly capital right now. You like it or not, that's the truth. Abayilandanga imali kwi-business class ngamabomu, and manje lezi ikhale ikhona sefike kuzoshawa thina. Uyasuka uhlabisa wangakithi la kahlabisa emakhaya ekuhluphekeni la kuhlushwa khona fanele senza kumaqambini uyasuka uyovela no Ramaphosa uthi hayi ke asibayeke obra bethu abalungu bebe happy mhlawumbe soshaya laba vele amakhoboka vele economy ebhedayo ye-capitalism. And bayakhuluma ke abanye labantu bafunde kancane bathi hayi they are zero rated goods. My ass ayikho i-product ene-economic value enga-affectwa yi-inflation makunyuka i-tax nenga-affectwa ama-means of production process. Ngisho ungangasinyusa isinkwa uqobo but i-production process yesinkwa izoba affected by the increase in VAT. In that way, if there are increased production cost, there will be increased what you call price per item sold. Basic economics, basic business economics. For those who don't know, a change elsewhere will definitely affect change in the other area. More use petrol, for example, use isinkwa, but more uthatha petrol ubekela ukuthi ubekela ngozuyibona relationship. But kunengelanga yini eletha uflower kwezisinkwa la? It's a vehicle which uses petrol. So unyuka VAT was going to increase cost of living. General, cost of living awakhulu esadini lodwa ngibearing side. They grow on an even scale, on an even level scale, because they take the very same salary. So ukuthi isinkwa sinyukanga. What about petrol? Njengoba usunyuse imali yamatekisi laphana. Akudli yona same salary overcommitted enginayo. Uthi isinkwa sinyukanga. Kodwa mangabe kunyuka inakhuza. For example, kunyuka ama-blocks ebuild it, for example. Akudli kwi-same salary le FM ngiyithathe ngithenga isinkwa. So kucelungelanga this thing is the same. Mawunyusa kodwa uvele kuyodla the same salary that I don't have. So bazama bachaza imhumeko ke yenkathi ezamuzezifundisa. It's not going to help, guys. It was not the right decision to increase the VAT, and that's why ANC ugcina pressured to reverse the decision yabo, and they've reversed it because it was the wrong decision. That Thabiso supported. Uyathanda uthandi. He made a flaw. It was flawed what he did. Because unfortunately yena uyiqembu labantu abamnyama. Siyathanda stand inkatha is black people who are poor. Siyababuka le kondumeni, siyababuka lena kontumeni, siyababuka le konongoma. Akukho nje imigwaqo ukuhamba emakhaya. Where ivote eningi lenkatha liqhamuka khona ngoMaqambeni liningi ivote lenkatha elitholayo la. Asinamazi la, asinamgwaqo la eMaqambeni siphushuzana nothuli. But ohlabisa bathatha inqumo nabelungu ukuthi hayi set them free we tax shaya ngapha kubantu abamnyama. And ilogic yabo ngutshela. Isekutheni mabethi kuzosiza thina lento yokunyuka tax. Isekutheni if abelungu be happy. It means imisebenzi yethu ngeke iphele. Kodwa igcina kwelanga siyoqhubeka ukubeka sisebenzele ukubuyisa imali kubona belungu. That is why ngithi mina i-IFP is not here for any transformation. It's an NGO esasonto like and iphila nge-funding nama-conditions ama-funders. Bengayenza yonke into ohlabisa ne-IFP to please white class, white monopoly capital. Ngoba eyabe logic ithi qhubekani idla imvuthu ongenani imvuthu nayithola unoba ningatholi lutho. The same way uThelezi wathi kaSithebe amahola onyuka mangabe sekubona ugandaganda wabekwa lapha. Waze wenza islogan esithi half as loaf is better than nothing. So njengamanje sireviziwe sithi ukuthola imvuthu yenzalela kungcono unongabi nayo. So inkotha ngqoko ingcono kunomuntu olwela ukuthi ngamane ngilamba ukuba ngenza isilima ngibhekile. Nkatha mayishintshe inkatha bakithi. Siyacela abantu bakithi benkatha. Siyanithanda sanhlonipha ngobhuti bethu ngosibari bethu, ningosikwiza bethu, ningoma bethu ngogogo bethu. Ake nishintsheni bakwethu bantu benkatha. Ngicela niyibone lento yenziwa uthina abelungu besebenzisa inkatha. Uhleze besivala amehlo njalo. Sikhula la maqambe sasitshela uma ngene ANC siyokhokha intela yeinkuku emahokweni. Siyokhokha intela yemizi yethu. Umhlaba uyothathwa abelungu sihlale singenamhla. Kanti amanga anikwazi IFP namhlanje this day and age uqhubeka niqamba banga bafowethu. Nibamnyama ningabakithi thina nina. Ningayenzi lento enenza kuthina. Inkatha yake ithathe iposition right kwi society. Ake nifunde bafuthu kulona umuntu omnyama ngempela, okwangempela. le nto ukuthi nivuma ukuthi niphathwe yiLondon nivuma konke okushoyo yiLondon mase kukhuluma ikhanda nisafuna nakubheka kuleli ikhanda leli likhuluma nomqondweni salinda phela umntwana lapha nangena sasimthanda sonke ukuthi hayi ubaba yebo ipolitiki yakhe yaphuma endleleni kodwa ke hayi umkhulu wethu asilindi ngelinye ilanga sokhula ngeke sivele uhlabisa futhi ezenza very same thing yokuthi umsebenzi wakhe ukusbrainwasha ukuthi sivumele ingcindezelo enzakalayo iqhubeke singalwi nayo la sinamandla khona ukuthatha inqumo first avoid ukuthatha inqumo zokulwisana nencindezelo zomlungu thina bantu abamnyama asinankinga lama-capitalist azokwenza i-profit kuphela nathi thina sisebenza usiholelwe ngendlela as we pursue socialism kodwa sinenkinga ne-white monopoly capital ngoba ifuna ukusiphatha culturally ifuna ukusiphatha religiously ifuna ukusiphatha politically ifuna ukusiphatha economically first ibe ngamakhoboka nje thina kugilikidla zana labelungu nalezi ingcelebane zabe zimnyama ezisebenza asikwazi uyivuma lonto leyo IFP asikwazi for the sake of ingane zethu ne-dignity omuntu omnyama ngiyacela IFP ikibuyekeze position yayo in politics of black people again ibuzeni nimngephi ne-land reform nithi akuqhubeka kumhlaba uhlale kubelungu nimngephi ne-mining nithi akuqhubeka kumana belungu kuphela abantu abanyama bengamnazi imayini nimngephi nge-provision of proper education nithi akuqhubeka kube ne-classism amabhunu wona iy'ngane zawo ifunde kahle thina sifunde thina emahlathini nimngephi nkatha nimngephi ngokuthi ubani okucinzela umuntu omnyama niyakuvuma kodwa kwakhona umuntu omnyama ucinzela umlungu noma seniyakuphiwa khona lokho umuntu omnyama iy'cindezele yena nisho njalo bafowethu uma nivuma bafowethu ukuthi umhlaba ubuyele kubantu and niyasho ukuthi hayi thina umhlaba ubuyele kwingonyama point is nenzani ukuthi umhlaba ubuyele kwingonyama nenzani ukuthi umhlaba ubuyele emakhosini anenzi lutho there's no campaign there's no march ethi land must come to the black owners even ange-issue yethala la nishaya i-wish-wash politics angayazi inkathi imngephi kwazi u-MK kwawuwona obuka sathi uhamba phambili ithala elaqalwa umntwana kaphinde angena nashaya i-wish-wash ngoba phela abantu abaginqa ithala ilabo onxibankulu abaningi ifunding nashaya i-wish-wash inkatha nangamandla komntwana-ke naye-ke ngoba phela ithala laqalwa umntwana aphinde angena hayi lutho imphumelo bala silindele ukuthi hayi-ke inkatha-ke la sizoyibona ukuthi inkathi iyamlwela umuntu omnyama hayi wish-wash hayi indaba nje yethala hayi nje hayi ngeke nkathi